Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms.
Oh my god. Okay. म चाहिँ अब ब्रस र स्पन्जेसहरू धुन लाग्यो मलाई चाहिँ बिकज आई काइन्ड हेभ ओसिडी सो एभ्री टाइम युज गर्दा चाहिँ मलाई ब्रस स्पन्जेसहरू क्लिन गर्नै पर्छ आई थिङ्क मेकअप आर्टिस्ट भएर पनि आई डोन्ट नो इट्स लाइक म ओसिडी पनि छु अलिअलि तर वान्स मेकअप आर्टिस्ट भएपछि झन् you have to clean everything के त्यो ब्रसेसहरू you have to make sure होइन so that infected नहोस् या ब्याक्टेरियाजहरू नहोस् भनेर so I try my best clean गरेर राख्ने अनि sanitize गर्ने but brushes र sponge चाहिँ मलाई every single time use गर्नै पर्छ अनि yeah I use त्यस्तो special cleanserहरू केही पनि छैन I use normal त्यो dish soap र olive oil मिसाएर चाहिँ I let the brush and sponge soak in for a while and त्यसपछि एकछिनपछि चाहिँ अनि I start washing them so this I've got all these brushes धुनु छ यो सबै sponge चाहिँ I've got 1 2 3 4 5 sponges हामी यहाँ पुग्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ सुटिङ भएको देख्यो अनि हेयर स्टाइलको चाहिँ सुटिङ हुँदो रहेछ आई थिङ्क म्युजिक भिडियोको लागि होला ठुलो बेडमा बसिरहेको थियो आई थिङ्क म्युजिक भिडियो आएपछि त थाहा हुन्छ कुन चाहिँ रहेछ भनेर हामी स्ट्राफर्ड भन्ने ठाउँमा जाँदै हो वेस्ट पुलमा किनभने मेरो सामानहरू छ त्यहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो ट्रेन आएको छ मेरो सामान लिन जान्छ जाडामा सो अब चाहिँ हामी जाँदैछौँ लेट्स गो ट्रेन आयो Oh yes. Put it out. Yeah, we got our parcel. Tap outside. Baba. Did you? I can take it out. I didn't get a parcel. Import 3. Right, mochi, mochi. Cake बनाउँदैछु I'm baking 2 cakes दुईजना मान्छेको लागि फेब्रुअरीमा बर्थडे छ हैन one is my husband himself अनि अर्को चाहिँ my cousin whose name is Rajani as well so I'm gonna make 2 cakes आज चाहिँ अनि अर्को चाहिँ cupcake पनि बनाउँदैछु I love one's cupcake त्यही भएर अनि I'm gonna keep it very simple एउटा blue एउटा pink बनाउँछु very obvious तर I'm gonna just keep it very simple खासै केही गर्दैन त्यही हो अब इन्ग्रेडियन्ट्सहरु चाहिँ यिनीहरु हो हैन सो यो चाहिँ बेसिक इन्ग्रेडियन्ट्स हो केक बनाउनको लागि चाहिँ सो once केक बनिसकेपछि चाहिँ म चाहिँ I let them cool down and set them for a while and त्यसपछि चाहिँ I work on cream or frosting whatever you like to call it so yeah I'll just show you guys म कसरी बनाउँछु भनेर hopefully it turns out well Anyway, यो चाहिँ Oliveको cupcake हो chocolate cupcake for Olive. Yes. Right, हाम्रो केक चाहिँ ready भयो. अलिकति तातो छ. So I'm gonna leave them here, let them cool down, sit them there for a while. Oliveको cupcake पनि ready भयो. Olive is excited to eat it, but we have to let it cool down. So we are done with Anjit's cake. This is Baba's cake. Olive little sprinkles add on गरेछ because Olive loves lots of sprinkles, whereas I don't think Baba would love it. But even though, so that is Anjit's cake. This is done. Abo, I'm moving on to the next cake,
which is for someone special.
Someone special. Wow, so fancy, Olive. Are you gonna try it? Yeah,
it's for tomorrow.
Ja, Agnes nå. Get Agnes. Get Agnes. Are you happy with your cupcake? Okay. There you go, guys. मेरो pink cake पनि भ्यायो. This is how it looks like. आजको blue र pink cake. It's right here. मैले happy birthday चाहिँ त्यति राम्रोसँग लेख्न सकिनँ किनभने I'm not used to it. I'm slowly getting the hang of it. But other than that, cake चाहिँ I think राम्रै turn out भयो. Just let me know तपाईहरुलाई कस्तो लाग्यो है. Yeah, this is what I came up with.
Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the town we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy. Under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night.
London guys है अब चाइना टाउनको केक खाएन भने चाहिँ मजा आउँदैन सो अब चाहिँ केक चाहिँ यसरी कप्प खाइन्छ Do you want some more?
I'm okay.
Right, Mosai is the time of the month, so I've been hibernating in my cocoon throughout the day. Kinavani, I get a lot of cramps, right? मेरो cramps are एकदम painful नै हुन्छ. So, Anjit आएर चाहिँ he cooked the dinner, so I'm just gonna have my dinner. Let's see what he has made. And yeah, I'll show it to you guys. Hi, baby.
The tofu.
What is that? Oh, what is this? Oh, wow. Did Baba make all of this?
Yeah. He made like 30 sushis.
Did
They were
he?
too big for my mom.
Did you help him?
Yeah, by testing the food.
Okay. By testing the food, you helped him.
Yep. I
Wow.
tested these, they're really good.
You got to let it go.